The Hue and Saturation option offers more flexibility in the color editing than the Vibrance option. This is due to the fact that it can not only make the colors stronger and richer, but also replaces them, changing their values. It allows us to select a certain color and set its values as vibrance, saturation, and brightness. Let's take a look. You can find this tool in the Image Adjustments menu, then Hue and Saturation. A new window with 3 different sliders will open. The first one controls the hue. If you drag it to the left or to the right, all of the colors in the picture will change because you haven't selected a specific color. The selected color is displayed in the small box above the first slider. We'll come back to it in a minute. The second slider, Saturation, controls how strong and vivid the chosen color is. Drag the slider to the right to increase the saturation, or to the left to decrease it. The third and last slider is Lightness. It controls how light or dark the colors are. As we mentioned earlier, the Hue and Saturation tool allows us to be more flexible while working with colors. This is because with it, we can not only work with all the colors simultaneously, but also each one of them separately. For example, if I want to work with red, I go to Master and select the red color, the one I want to change. This way, you can make changes to the red or similar colors. Likewise, choosing yellow gives me control over the yellow, similar colors, or ones that include yellow. If I want to make changes in a color which is not included in the list at the top, I can select it myself. For example, purple. In this case, I'll need to use this icon, which looks like a hand, to point out a specific color by clicking on it. Then, Photoshop selects this color and the one similar to it automatically. This hand-shaped icon allows us to select a certain color and modify its saturation. If you want to select colors, included or not included in the menu, you can use the 3 eyedropper tools. The first one of them selects a color, the second one adds, and the third one subtracts. Try them out and see what colors you can select with them.